Welcome to the third installment of the Department of Defense's weekly situation report, or SITREP. This week, the Department of Defense wasted no time getting our military back to its core mission. Secretary Hegseth ordered a department-wide review of existing standards set by U.S. military branches pertaining to physical fitness, body composition, and grooming. Our troops will look sharp, not sloppy, and the DoD will see quality, not quotas. The Pentagon also announced that we're eliminating woke climate change programs and initiatives inconsistent with our core warfighting mission. Ukraine aid and intelligence sharing was reactivated in response to Zelensky's acceptance of a 30-day ceasefire. The President and the Secretary of Defense have been very, very clear. The U.S. wants to see peace in Ukraine. The killing must stop. Army Chief of Staff General George ordered a review of all general officer memorandums of reprimands that were issued to soldiers who refused to comply with the previous administration's COVID vaccine mandate. And last, Secretary Hegseth made OPM's 5 bullet points email assignment a weekly task for Pentagon civilians. Woke is out at the Department of Defense, and accountability and standards are in. Thank you for watching, America. God bless you all, and God bless this great country that we call home. Take care.